In this screencast, you will learn how to create an assignment with an on-paper submission. To do this, you will go to your course and make sure that you are in module view. You can add an assignment to an existing module or create a new module. I am going to create a new module by clicking the plus module button and naming it. Once your module is created, you can click the plus sign on the module to add items. You will have the option to choose different types of items. To choose the item type, you click on the double triangles. You want to select Assignment. Click on New Assignment and make sure to name it before clicking Add Item. Once created, you simply click on the assignment name to begin editing the assignment. Click Edit. You will see the rich content editor once you are in editing mode. You want to ensure you use this space to include clear directions about the assignment and how to submit it. Depending on the age of your students, you can use images, audio, and/or video to support your students. If you scroll down, you can begin adjusting the assignment settings. You can assign points, choose in which format the grade is displayed, if any, and select the submission type. If you want students to submit your assignment as they normally would on paper, you want to choose On Paper. I recommend this type when you are trying Canvas assignments out and want to become familiar with the tools on the teacher side. At the bottom, you can choose whom you assign it to. This can be everyone, specific sections, or specific students. You can also set your due date here. This information will also automatically populate the Canvas calendar for students and parents. Once done, make sure to save or save and publish.